Hello everyone, let me introduce DATE-TestGen, an automatic test case generator for Java binary program. The video consists of two parts. The first part briefly introduces the design of DATE-TestGen, and the second part demonstrates the usage of DATE-TestGen with a toy example. And here comes the design of DATE-TestGen. The input of this tool is the compiled bytecode of Java program under test, which means even though the user has no access to the source code of the Java program under test, the test classes can still be generated. With the Java bytecode under test, our symbolic execution module generates the test seeds. Then, the impact analysis module executes the test cases. Meanwhile, it collects and compares the execution traces of the test cases. The produced impact information guides the mutation module to modify or to append statements to the original test cases. Next, the mutated test cases are handled under the same procedure. After some iterations, the tool terminates, and the final test cases are the output of the tool. Okay, let's see how DATE-TestGen really works. To use DATE-TestGen, you need to upload two files. One is the package.jar file of the Java program under test. For example, a Java project looks like this will become this after compiling and packaging. And another file to upload is a text file. Each line in this text file contains a fully qualified name of the class you want to test. If you want to generate test cases for only a portion of classes in the .jar package instead of all the packages, specify them here. And if you don't have a proper program to test, just download the jar and text file here to give a try. After choosing the two files, click the button and the DATE-TestGen will be generating test cases. And taking this opportunity, let's take a look at the program under test. The unit package has four classes: the calendar unit, the day, the month, and the year. And let's see the increment and the sleep method in the year class has a rather complex branch condition. The default package has a next day and the date. The increment method has also a rather complex branch condition. When generating the test cases, our tool will try its best to make the branches and statements being covered. Okay, let's see whether the generation terminates. Good, the generation succeeded. Click here to see the generated test cases. This is a very long Java program file in the JUnit format, and it's easy to save it to the disk. To evaluate the quality of test cases, coverages are important metrics. So click here to see the coverage report generated by Jacoco. Here are the JVM instruction coverages and branch coverages. Click package names or class names to see the detailed report. So remember the date class has an increment method with complex branch conditions, and its branch coverage is not 100%. But the good news is in the class year, the method sleep also has a complex branch condition, and its coverage is high enough. And other methods all have a very high coverage. Alright, this is the usage of the tool DATE-TestGen. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.